Hello guys, I just was on the Home Depot website and I came across this rigid cold box. I've never seen this before. As far as I can tell, this is brand new. Um, $59.97. It basically looks like this is a cooler that they have come out with to kind of compete with, the DeWalt and Milwaukee, who both have coolers for their systems. As I look at this, I mean, it looks pretty sharp to me. I think it says that it's a 27 can. I mean, those latches look nice. I'm pretty excited about this. I've never seen this before. If any of you guys have seen this before, let me know, or if this truly is brand new. Of course, I've never seen that bottom rigid box right there before either. I'm not even sure where. I mean, I wonder if that box new too. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Let's see what this says here. Yeah, see, item is currently out of stock. I've never seen it in stock. This is the first I'm seeing it. And what's neat, I mean, you can see right here, stacks right on that bottom crate, latches on. You can latch stuff on top. What does it say? Gray, rigid, product depth. Here, specifications. All right, overview. Here we go. 27 quart rigid cold box. Made for high impact resin. Yep. Holds up to 42 cans. Has 2 cup holders in the lid. Wow. 27 quarts, 2 cup holders. Compatible. Extra large carrying handle. Heavy duty durable latch. Lockable. High impact resin. It does not say. Let's see. Are there any reviews? There's not a single review, guys. I think this is brand new. I think this is brand new. I wonder when this is coming out. If any of you guys have seen this before, let me know. If anybody has this, or if this really is brand new item. Let me know what you guys think about this. I'm pretty excited. I can't wait to see it in stores. Alright guys, that's it. We'll see you next time.